Knives I've made. They're made from W2 tool steel, which is the same as just a file, an old file that was no good anymore. I took it, forged it to shape. This is less than 10% stock removal on these blades. It's called a friction folder because it's got a pin here that is tightened to where there's friction on it so it won't come open. Once you get it open, this here stops on the back so it won't go all the way, won't go any farther. You can see where I added some extra artistic touches to it. Here on the back, this tang is made longer this way so that when it opens it'll stay in the open position and not go through the handle. I did also some file work on the back here. With the curl, you just work it on the edge of the anvil, working it until it starts to curve.
What is it you're making here?
The bracelet. It's out of copper.
Well, here's the finished knife, 5160 blade, copper ferrule, butt cap, walnut handle, all made without any electricity, any commercial gas or epoxy. Quit flashing me back there.
I missed it. Ron already flashed us once today, man.
Marion's back there. Thanks, guys.